Meaning of informer.
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 Informer. The word informer refers to a person who provides information, especially to the authorities, about someone else's wrongdoing. This can be done voluntarily or as part of an arrangement with law enforcement. The role of an informer is often controversial, with some viewing them as traitors and others as essential to maintaining law and order. Informers may receive rewards or protection in exchange for their cooperation. In some cases, their actions may lead to criminal prosecutions or even prevent serious crimes from occurring.